Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, I'm glad to have you. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of my bedroom. From the comments it looks like that's what you guys like, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. We just redid our bedroom probably about 6 months ago, maybe. We redid the floor, painted the whole 9 yards. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell for notification for every time I upload. So here we go. Okay, so here's my bedroom. It is not very big. I do live in a ranch home. It's fine. I like it. It's cozy. We did redo the floor, as you can see. I got the floor. We got this from Home Depot. We did get a new bed, which I love. I love this bed. I got this from Walmart. This bedspread, actually, I had a duvet cover of the same pattern for quite a while, and I absolutely loved it. And it ripped. I actually found it on Walmart, and I got the comforter, and I got the pillows that go with it. I don't know if you can see. There's a small, it came with a small pillow, and it came with two of the pillow covers. And I think I paid half at Walmart for what I paid for the duvet originally. Two pretty white pillow covers. I believe I bought those off of Amazon. We got a brand new closet door, and I love this closet door. It's so pretty. I changed out the face plates. I got those from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were super cute. I brought this fireplace that I have right here was actually in our living room, and when we redid the bedroom, I took out our dressers, put them in a different room, and I brought this in here, and I couldn't be more thrilled with it. Candles in the base of the fireplace actually are on a timer, so they will go on, I think they go on at like 7 o'clock, and they stay on till like midnight. I have a garland up here because we have our TV on top of the fire lamp in the corner. It was gold. I painted it white because the lamps I got from Amazon, that clock, I don't know where I did get that clock from. I think I got it at a garage sale, but I'm not 100% sure. This table was given to me, and I just put pink and white. I found some like wallpaper paper. So there's the end table. I have white roses on there with my lamp.
I'm drowning in this crazy room. There's no one to save me, 'cause I'm on my own here, yeah. Tears are falling on my cigarette, and no one can hear me. And you let me down, so I can call you. I don't need help, babe, I won't falling into the same thing, 'cause I just live this, I want a healing.
Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Have a great weekend, all.